So now my microphone is working. I was recording this without even talking. But what I was saying is that today I found this article from a YouTube video recommendation, and it's about AI anxiety and this fear of being replaced by AI. But this article is good because and the person that wrote this article points that there are three things we don't want to admit, which is we are afraid to become less important, lose the edge that makes us valuable, and watching expectation rise faster than we can adapt to it. And that's exactly how I feel. Is right in the point, nailed in the head. I think I'm trying to use those type of words, but that's how I'm feeling right now. I feel like I don't have the same value anymore, and I also feel like I cannot adapt as fast as I should have, as I have to, in order to keep up with this in this industry right now. And I'm trying to make adjust to this new reality. And this article is pretty good. Talks about what the agentic coding is, and yeah, exactly what I feel about it. Agentic coding is that for people that are really good in coding, people that are really technical, agent coding is just amazing because it allows us to iterate faster in our apps, build things faster, ship things faster, but also maintaining security, quality, because this is on you, right? This is your specialty. If you're really technical, if you really know how to create things, agentic code will leverage even more your way to build things, your productivity, your impact. I think this is what I'm trying to say. And we have to adapt to become this T-shaped developer. He's basically a developer that know all the things, like not all the things, but he can see the big picture, make trade-offs, make decisions, connect the technical decisions with the business outcomes, and review and guide execution effectively. And that's what I'm struggling with a lot, because I'm really into the craftsmanship. I'm really into the building things and understand how the components work, how the APIs are being built, and they're all the under the hood implementation details. But this is not that important for business that are growing, or a lot of things that you want to build. The technical details are not as important as the features you're shipping. If you're not shipping anything that has value, has concrete data from users, doesn't matter if everything is written beautifully, if you follow the best patterns and all the principles, the best principles ever, that doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, what matters is the product you're shipping, the impact that this product has in the final user, how this product is solving problems. If you have conversions, people are buying this, people are using this. That's what makes that's always was the case, right? But because code was so expensive to create, I think
we neglect ourselves.
we neglected caring about the business, also all those aspects of the business. And now this is mandatory now for people that are interested in this area, interesting and become software developers. This is it's pretty good. So those who adapt become more autonomous, more effective, and more resilient. Those who avoid the shift may not lose their jobs immediately, but they will slowly lose leverage. That's exactly just nailed. This article nailed the feeling, this anxiety, this unease feeling that I'm having right now. That was pretty good, but I'm still not sure how I'm going to overcome the situation. So right now I'm just testing my app. And the one thing I have to do here is that I know that I'm failing already is to use the agentic code to help me build more, be more constant. Being a software engineer is that we always have to adapt, try to improve ourselves constantly, but become more and more effective, efficient. It's not an easy thing to do at all. So and that's what brings me so much anxiety. It's the fact that I keep feel like I'm always missing something, always behind. And this is a sensation that I don't want to have. I don't want to feel like this. Let me see. That's not good at all. I think we have all this craziness happening here because February, yeah, of all this craziness, still have a lot of problems in the back end. Let me see if I delete everything for this user. App info. Well, right now I'm just trying to solve this problem with synchronization in my app, but maybe I should be using agentic code to tackle other tasks, other places where I need refactoring, or also to review my code is a good thing as well. I'm trying to follow the recommendations here, and I won't I'm not trying right now, but that's what I'm planning to do this month is to help me with implementation, refactoring, extending testing, code suggestions, improvements, repetitive maintenance task as well. That's what I want agent code to do for me. Set up some parallel agents to work in a code base, but from work trees, different work trees are Git work trees. It's just branches that have the entire copy of the code, and you can run parallel. I want agents to fetch issues, GitHub issues that I will write, and also will ask Claude to write them for me, help me write it, because I also want to practice my English writing. That's why I'm not delegating my writing to AI, because this is not a good skill. I really want to sharp. I still want to improve my writing skills, but yeah, I wanted to agents to fetching new tasks, new GitHub issues, work on it. Asking questions, but then work on it heads on, and then submit PRs so I can review it. I also want agents to review my PRs as well, see areas I can improve. So I can, I think I'm trying to, what I really want to do is to find a balance between being productive and being in this direction of decision making and trade-offs and understanding the business side as well. But I also want to keep my technical skills sharp. That's because if I keep just delegating code to AI, this ability that I appreciate will will degenerate, not degenerate, it will deteriorate quickly. That's what I am right now. This is the place where I am right now, and I'm trying to make this a good experience at all, and as well. It's really hard. It's really hard to do all those things and still be able to take care of things in my life, such as all the bills that I have to pay, family that I have to take care, and it's really hard. I think there's so many things. So I still have duplicate bills in my app. I should start in a clean state in order to test, but let me just give it another try, see what we got from this situation. Internet rent on March here is paid, and yeah, they have duplicate bills for sure. That's not a good thing. What I'm gonna do is I will delete everything. I think if I delete everything, this should delete in the Android as well. Show like this. I feel like it's faster now than because I'm deleting everything. I don't know. Could be something in my head, but yeah. Let me see what I have in the database real quick. Just make sure. Yeah, I think I'm kind of just want to finish this, let this done, get this over with, and start creating these issues where AI will help me figure out how to do it. Came up with a plan. Maybe we'll execute it. Maybe I will execute as well. Like I said, I don't want to lose my skills because I like to know how to code. I like it. But I get it that this is not the only thing that is value anymore. And that it's not will keep up being value for the long run, the long term. Just be good in code, because being good in code doesn't mean the same thing anymore. And never gonna be, because this is, as the article says, I do believe this is not a hype stuff, man. This is a turning point. This is a turning point, not a hype thing. We should adapt to this. The bar is way higher right now.